Hello. The other equation is 2x to the power 6 minus 4x to the power 5 plus 0.5 x to the power 2 minus 0.6 equals 0. As you can see, there are 30 x's and we have constant number 2. So I get copy from these 30 blocks. We have two positives and two negatives in the equation. So I add another negative sign in the sum block. Here I need constant and gain blocks too. The constant number is minus 0.6. Also, we have 0.5 x to the power 2. We should multiply it by gain in order to make the 0.5. Pay attention that I transfer the x signal from here to the block. Here x reaches to the power 2. Then it multiplies in a gain that its amount is 0.5 and then conducted to the equation with the plus sign. The third part of the equation is minus 4 x to the power 5. How we can generate x to the power 4? We should use two math function blocks. One is for the power 2 and another one for the power 4. What should we do for power 5? We need a block to cover the u to the power v. Again, we can use math function blocks. I get copy from these two blocks. The gain is 4. Okay. Here we have power in math function. And now a u to the power v was generated. I can define both the u and v, which the u is the first input and v the second input. Because the v is 4, so I use a constant block. I entered the 4 here. It means that the v changed to 4. We use signal x for the u. Because the operator is negative, we connect it to the negative. Now I should generate the 4x to the power 5, so here I should change it to 5. Now I should design 2x to the power 6. I get copy from these 30 blocks. Okay, we have done. I run the simulation and now you can see the output here. Okay, now we found the x in this equation. Okay, thank you. Thanks for being with us. Bye bye.